So with that, let me move to our next panelist, Aasha Banu, a web developer from the Lady Doak College in Madurai. Aasha Banu is a BSc IT graduate from Lady Doak College in Madurai. She currently works as a website developer at her college. Her journey took a transformative turn when she was selected for the FOSSI GIS internship at IIT Bombay, a program that actively encourages participation from students in rural areas. During this 6-month internship, Aasha learned QGIS through spoken tutorial, mastering the map creation and spatial analysis. Today, she is applying these skills to a cutting-edge project called Data Visualization Dashboard for Geospatial, an AI-driven asset management and tracking system. For Aasha, an internship at IIT Bombay was a dream come true. She shares, as the first graduate in my family, this experience has given me a lot of confidence. I struggled in the beginning, but I worked very hard and used this opportunity well. And I encourage others to work hard and grab similar chances in life. Aasha's story highlights why democratizing GIS education is crucial. In today's data-driven world, geographical information systems is more than just a mapping tool. They power urban planning, disaster management, environment and conservation, and other AI-driven solutions. With that, let me request Aasha, as the first graduate in your family, how did the FOSSI internship opportunity impact your confidence and your career direction?
I'm Aasha Banu. I'm so happy to be honored here today. So the FOSSI GIS Summer Fellowship internship was a life-changing experience for me. Being the first graduate in my family, this opportunity gave me a lot of confidence. It proved that my skills enhanced by doing this real-time problems. By working on this data visualization dashboard for geospatial and AI-driven asset management and tracking system, helped me to learn more about GIS and artificial intelligence. So basically, I'm from a computer science background. I don't have that much knowledge about GIS. Initially, I have learned GIS only through the spoken tutorial. After that, I have gained a lot of knowledge about the GIS and started working on my real-time project, which combines about GIS and the artificial intelligence. This helped me realize how technology can be used to improve the lives of people. Through this internship, I have learned a lot. I have explored a lot using this GIS knowledge from the spoken tutorial.
Aasha, not only you have become the first graduate in your family and taken on this very important topic. From your experience, just curious, how do you see a skill like GIS mapping also being important to the social domain in terms of good for the society?
Yes, sir. The GIS is very useful for the society, especially in my project I have implemented in asset management system. Likewise, the GIS can also be implemented in like road management in schools and hospitals. Through this can also be implemented in disaster management. Like for example, through GIS, we can analyze the temperature of the soil, under which temperature which crops can be grown, which is very useful for the agriculture. And for the disaster management, we can easily able to analyze when the earthquake will come, and we can take the respective measures as well, sir.
No, thank you. I think this is where the technology plays such a vital role in our optimal utilization of scarce resources. So looking forward to your leadership. It's a very important field. And thank you for joining today.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.